We have here cylinder A and cylinder B. The sequence is A plus B plus A minus B minus. Please note the assigned limit switches. If we press the button, it will cause the 5/2 wave bulb to switch over to the right and the piston rod of cylinder A to move forward and releasing the actuation of A0. Then it will touch the limit switch A1. Okay? Actuating A1 will cause the next 5/2 wave bulb to switch to the right and then causing the piston rod of cylinder B to move forward, releasing the actuation of B0. And then it will actuate B1. As it actuates B1, then B1 will cause the 5/2 wave bulb to return to its initial position, causing the piston rod of cylinder A to move backward, releasing actuation of A1. Okay? And then it will actuate again A0, causing the 5/2 wave bulb to move in its initial position. Then cylinder B will move backward, releasing B1 and then finally actuating B0 once again. Okay? The cycle will be repeated. Okay? The piston rod of cylinder A will move forward and then the piston rod of cylinder B will move forward. A will move backward, then B will move backward. Did you learn something? Please share and subscribe. Thank you.